Hello everyone, thank you for watching Big Nine Wonders. We bring the amazing side of Africa to you. We are here with a new episode. Today we are talking about the garments or the clothes that you have to pack for your safari. This is a broad topic and it can be handled depending on your personality, depending on the way you want to look, or depending on how your dress code. But mainly, generally, there is a kind of dress that we would recommend for travelers. And we hope you guys will enjoy this episode about the clothes that you need to pack for your safari. There are some considerations or some guidelines or some advices that you can find maybe useful, especially if you are the first time traveler or you are packing for the first time for your safari in Africa. One of the issues or one of the things that you have to put into consideration is that your clothes or your attires, your garments should be casual but comfortable. This is what we mean. Most of the vehicles you use on your safari in Africa, they are a bit higher. So it means you need, let's say, actually the trousers are recommended because you will have to be climbing or moving up, coming out of the vehicle like this. So you will need something that is comfortable and that is a bit flexible. So that's why we recommend that should be casual and comfortable. It should also be easy to wash, or it can dry quicker. And this one will help you to pack fewer things so that you can just have them done. You can have your laundry done to avoid carrying many things on your safari. Then the second point you can consider when you are packing for your safari is that your clothes or what you will put on should have neutral colors. You should consider the colors that are not shouting, not shouting colors. That's why you find that, for example, in the national parks, you find the vehicles are in like brown or green colors, because these are the colors that are good and they are comfortable, especially in the wildlife with the animals, which cannot scare away the animals or which are not attracted to the animals. So it is advisable actually that when you are coming, you can avoid white or black colors. For example, in Africa, most of African countries, let's say here in Uganda, the roads and other places are dusty. So because of dust, you can avoid these colors also, the black or white, so that they don't attract dust on your clothes. So you have to take note of that. Let's say you can have other colors apart from the black and white colors. So the neutral colors are advisable, especially when you are visiting the national parks. We talk of another point to consider, number 3, which is we advise that you can put on shorts. Shorts are good, and trousers also. You can have your shorts with you and trousers. And actually, depending on where you are and the activities you are going to do, long-sleeved shirts or blouses are advisable, especially if you are in the forest for the gorilla trekking or chimpanzee trekking, for example. You need to have these because in some places there are mosquitoes, and or maybe the sun to avoid the sunburn, or to protect yourself from the sun. You need all these. So you can have your shorts, let's say for your game drive or for other places, and then you can have your trousers for other places, especially where you need to hike or to trek, let's say for gorillas and other primates. So you should also take note of that. Actually, it is also advisable that you have the clothes with collars so that you can protect yourselves, especially from the mosquito bites and all that. Also, what you should not forget is about the warm jackets, because sometimes in the morning it is a bit cold, and then you will need, generally in Africa, in Uganda or in Rwanda, in East Africa, it's not extremely cold, but the warm jackets will help you, and they should not be heavy. They should just be warm jackets, because there is no winter here. So you have to wear something that can keep you warm, or just carry it with you. Then, of course, as we have said, the safari trousers or The safari trousers are very important. And then the hiking shoes, especially if you are coming for gorilla trekking or for chimpanzee trekking or any other hiking activity, you need the hiking shoes. If it is other normal activities like a game drive or boat cruise or other simple activities, you can have your sneakers. Have your simple sneakers. You can even carry your open shoes with you just to be comfortable, to put them on when you are relaxing. But they are so important that you should come with them. Then also advisable that you should also come with raincoat. Raincoat, take it as a note as something very important, number 6. It's because rain here in Uganda or in some other neighboring countries is unpredictable. Let's say you go to the forest for gorilla trekking, it can rain anytime. Or you go for the game drive. Game drive, you are in the car, but where it is an outdoor activity, you will need the raincoat, which can help you anytime because it can rain. Then another advice I can give you about number 7 is that you should come with swimming costumes. Swimming costumes, because like most of the lodges, most of the accommodations in Uganda, in Rwanda, in other places you will come to visit, they have swimming pools. Or in case you are after your activity, you are just relaxing there, you can have a swimming. So it's advisable you come with your swimming costume just with you. Then we can also talk about uh, another issue, maybe about the underwears. Everyone knows the underwears he or she puts on, so you should put that one also into consideration. Then we can also talk about the hat. You need to carry a hat at least to protect you from the sun in case. Then you can also have a bandana or a cotton scarf to protect you, especially when it is cold, or from also to protect your body from the bites like mosquitoes and all that. Then also what you should also consider, it's an advice I give to people, to the travelers. It's a general one that you should use layering trick. Layering trick is whereby you put on many clothes in layers, and then this one, it means you can still remove them in layers. If you feel hot, then you can remove them one by one. This trick can help you, especially to fit in all the weather conditions that you will be in when you are on your safari, and it can make your safari experience a good one. And then another one is about the laundry service. Most of the places where you will sleep, the accommodations, they offer laundry services, maybe at a fee or free of charge or part of the money you pay. So you should not worry about this. You can do your laundry most of the time when you are on a safari. This means that you should not carry many things with you. Just carry a few things, carry those which are very easy to do laundry, then you can just have it done here, and then it will help you to carry fewer things. Thank you so much. I hope this guides you on to have the idea of the clothes you have to put on or you have to bring on your safari. Just the way you can go out an outdoor activity with your casual wear is the same way you can come for your safari. You don't need to do a shopping for the clothes you have to come with on your safari. Just put on a normal way, carry your own things, your normal things, and I trust me, you will have your safari done and well. Thank you so much for watching our videos, and this is Big Nine Wonders. In case this is your first time to watch our video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.